Hey yo, what is the dealio? It is your boy Rico. As you can see, it is another video. We are gonna go ahead and get straight to it. As you can see, don't mind, I got on these gloves because I'm about to open up a package, and I just got this whole, I don't know, stigma about opening up packages with my bare hands. But anyways, so as you can see, I got my hair back in Bantu. I know I need to tighten up my size, but hey, slow down. One step at a time. So I'm about to open up this package from this company, Yanicare Products, who specializes in dread care. And so I'm going to put their IG description down in the description box below. So make sure you go hit him up and check out all his amazing products and see what he got going on. So without further ado, we are going to go ahead and get into that. You dig? Alright, so I am back here, and so we got the product here, the box here. So I'm gonna go ahead and see what we working with. And so we got this. Ooh, come in a nice little fancy something. Well, I'm gonna open up that and see what it is. It smells good. The box smells real good. It smells like lemon zest. Oh, this might be where it's coming from, whatever that is. What we got here? Oh, we got actually a product. So this is the company right here. So yeah, and then on the back he has all the products and their what they do or whatever. So we're gonna take a look at that. We got, dang, he hooked me up for real. Oh, and it comes with a thank you card. Okay, I feel a little special. Oh, y'all see that, so yeah, we're gonna definitely shout out to Yanicare Products. Oh, we got some, okay, we got this, so I'll let y'all know what that is. Got this bubble wrap. Woo-hoo-hoo. The kid me. And we got this. Ooh. That smells like me. That whole box. Alright, so we're gonna see what we got. Alright, sorry about that. I had to switch up the lighting a little bit so y'all can see me. But so we're just gonna go through the products. So according to the card, the first one is the Yanni Clean. I guess this is the shampoo. Like he said, you can use it for your whole body or whatever, but it's a shampoo. Right now, I currently use a Ren Pure Biotin and Collagen. So I'll definitely give this a try, even though I love my Ren Pure. So, oh, what kind of? Oh, this is a seal top. It doesn't smell too bad. So yeah, we're definitely gonna give that a try. So like I said, right now I have my Bantus in. I had the what I call the loose locks out, the loose twist rather, out for like 2 weeks, a week or two or 2 weeks. And so I just retested with the Bantu knots or whatever. And I'll probably leave them in a couple of days because I'm going out of town. So I'll probably take these out depending on how I feel and give them a try. So if I don't use the Yanni Clean, when I retest at the end of the month, because I'll be due to wash my hair at the end of the month, is the moisturizing oil. I definitely could definitely utilize this. I need this right now. Cause my hair is so thick that it'll eat up anything. So, sorry about that. My dude's called, but what was I saying? Yeah, so my hair is typically it's thick, so it'll, even though I got the top, but like when I had hair all over, it was just like too much. That's why I chose to go this route. It's really thick, so I used to put grease in my hair, but I noticed that grease would, like, the next day it's just like my hair was dry again. So I started switching to oils like coconut oil, argan oil. It was helping me more than just the regular grease. So I'm definitely gonna give this a try today. Oh, it's a light scent, so yeah, I like that because I don't like my hair, unless it's from my shampoo, I don't like my hair smelling too fragrant or whatever, but smelling good. Let's see what this got going on. Oh shoot, I can't even open it. Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay. Then the smell, I'm not big on this smell, but let's see. It's not like it don't stink. Don't get me wrong, but yeah, so we'll see. We will see. Everyday spray serum. So I'm definitely gonna use the serum and the moisturizing oil together simultaneously. So cause like I said, mine is thick. So that's what we gonna do right there. Let me put this back. And then we got 2 more. Oh shoot. This Yanni gel here. So yeah, cause I was, yeah, you can smell the aloe. I was using at one point the Eco Style, just not when I got my twist or anything, but just like when I would do my 2 strands sometimes, and I wouldn't use a lot at all because it'll flake. And like I said, my hair, it dries quick, so I didn't want to put products in it that'll dry my hair out really quick. So I don't typically use the Eco Style and gel as a hair maintenance care situation. So like for me, I don't, like I said, I don't want it to break my hair off, even though they say some no harmful ingredients and stuff like that, but nah, I'm good. I just try to stick to all natural. So that's why I encourage everybody who's watching my video, try to find a company like Yanicare Products or whatever the case may be that is all natural. Make sure you're reading these ingredients, because there are a lot of companies out there putting ingredients in their products that are really damaging to your hair and body. And what most people don't realize is what goes into your scalp can go into your body, and then it can cause other problems that we're not going to go into. So just make sure you find a company. If you can't find a whole product line, you're finding individual companies to meet the individual needs of your hair care that do not contain harmful substances in them. All right, so that's just that. All right, and the last one is the Yanni butter. That's what's in this nice little bag that I'm definitely gonna keep. I like little stuff like this. Excuse me. So oh, okay, that's a different smell. It doesn't smell bad at all. Really different. You can definitely smell the lemongrass oil in here. Yeah, so that's good. Is it lemongrass? Yeah, you can tell it's lemongrass. And I know essential oil, so that's why. So yeah, that's pretty much all the, like I said, I don't know. I'm definitely gonna try the oils today and see how that goes. As a matter of fact, we can run it right now. So we'll use the serum first. Like I said, you want to be careful on picking products that you put in your scalp, because like I said, those things can definitely, if they're not the right products, seep into your scalp. And what I also do is I do a daily moisture with rose water. I make my own rose water. I have my own rose water blend that I do. So we're gonna see how just keep my Bantus moisturized all day. So yeah, like I said, the description will be down below, and we'll definitely be doing follow-ups perhaps with this. I'm definitely gonna see which products that I do like out of the product line and give him my feedback, and then just try it out, all of them, especially the gel and the butter, for when I start my retwisting situation. So yes sir, that is the video. Thank you guys for watching this video. Like I said, to all my people out there starting your dreads, maintaining your dreads, or whatever the case may be, I am on this journey with you guys. So make sure you hit up Yanicare Products and check them out in the description below. I'll probably have his IG, have their IG on the description below, so make sure you go add them and check out his product care for all my dread heads. So this your boy Rico, we are out.